Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for joining me. And if you are part of the spiritual family, welcome back. As always, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you enjoy my content, and share this video if you feel like you know somebody who would enjoy it or could benefit from what I'm talking about here today. So, if you see from the title of this video, it's another Toke and Talk where I get high and I talk. And today is the perfect day to do this because I'm feeling myself. And this is the perfect topic to talk about while I feel myself. So, I've already rolled and partially smoked. I am smoking a hemp wrap, guys, that my friend put me onto. I can't find the packaging. Oh wait, I'm lying. Here we go. Let me tell you, these feel definitely like vegan. Like if you ever made vegan food, you be looking at this shit and you be like, this looks very not meaty at all. You know what I'm saying? I like these. They came with filters in them, and yeah, it was too late before I realized that it came with filters. But yeah, it took me about 3 tries before I could actually get one to roll nice and perfectly. But I was just enjoying my life. Just ate dinner. It was good. And I was jamming out to some Beyonce, Dangerously in Love. And one of my favorite songs on that album is The Closer I Get to You, featuring Luther Vandross. And it just puts you on this loving vibration. So wherever you are, if you're having a good day, if you're having a bad day, if you are feeling loved and in love, or if you are manifesting love, go play The Closer I Get to You, Beyonce featuring Luther Vandross. Rest in peace. So, as I'm being the most authentic version of myself, which my channel has been benefiting from greatly, thank you guys for supporting me and watching my videos. And yeah, this video I want to talk about being authentic, being the realest version of yourself, and how you can do that, and how much better your life is going to be because of it. So the first thing is, being authentic is hard. It's hard because we've been fucking brainwashed all of our lives to be things, to live up to expectations. And being your authentic self is going to hurt some people. Some people are not going to agree with it. They're not going to like it when your throat chakra's clear. They're not going to like that you're living your life out loud because they too want to be themselves, but they are ashamed and have been bullied by the world into being this lame version of themselves that seems cool because this is what everybody else likes. All the shade. Okay? If you want to be yourself, you have to start doing the things that you love doing. And you have to surround yourself with people that make you feel good about your true self. And that's on period. People that's going to accept you for who you are. So if you like to watch anime, don't hang around a bunch of people who think anime is lame. It's as simple as that. If you're a gamer, don't be in a relationship with somebody who hates video games. It's as simple as that. So the more that you do, the more you surround yourself with the people that you enjoy their company, the better your life will be. And here's why. When you are happy, you have a positive disposition in life, which makes it easier for you to manifest things. And when you are in alignment, so to speak, everything in your life is moving in the direction that you want it to be, because you willed it so. When you do the things that make you happy, when you follow your heart, when you create for about the things that you're passionate about, when you have fun with your life just gets better and better. You literally just manifest an even better life unknowingly and intentionally. Be intentional with who you are. Like, if I said I'm a healer, then I better be out here fucking healing some shit. You know what I mean? Like, be who you are for real. And get the fuck around from people who don't like who you are, or don't approve who you are, or make you feel bad for being who you are, or doing what you want to do. Like, life is short. This is the only one. This is the only time that you're going to have this life. So, I mean, like, take advantage of it. At this point, I'm just talking to hear myself speak. So, I'm going to get back to the real world and hashtag mom life. And I hope you guys enjoy your week. I am going to be back soon with a Life Path 7 card. I got it ready to go. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.